Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's class, now we are going to see the detail about marine ecosystems. The subtopics I have included in this session: introduction about the marine ecosystem, abiotic factors of marine ecosystem and zones of marine ecosystem, and then primary producer in marine ecosystem, conservation and management of marine ecosystem, threats of marine ecosystem, and then conclusion. Introduction about the marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystem cover almost 3/4 of the Earth's surface and include the open ocean, coastal estuaries and coral reefs. This ecosystem are characterized by their high salinity levels and are home to diverse array of organisms that have adapted to the unique condition of the marine environment. And then abiotic factors in marine ecosystem. Several key abiotic factors the structure and function of marine ecosystem. And then temperature. Surface water temperature are generally warmest near the equator and colder towards the poles. Deep ocean water is much colder than the surface water. And then salinity of seawater is about 35 parts per thousand, but it can vary depending on factors such as evaporation, precipitation and river input. And then light. Sunlight only penetrates the first 200 meters of the ocean, creating distinct zones based on light availability. And then nutrients. Nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus are essential for primary productivity in marine ecosystem. They are often sourced in the open ocean but more abundant in coastal areas. And then zones of marine ecosystem. The zones present in the surface is known as interstial zone and then neritic zone, oceanic zone. The oceanic zone and portopic zone present in the 1000 meters and then pelagic zone, abiotic zone, benthic zone are present in the 3000 meters. Several zones are divided into the based on depth and distance from the shore. First zone is interstial zone, the areas between the high tide line and low tide line, characterized by the alternating exposure to the air and water. Neritic zone, the shallow well-lit area from the low tide line of the edge of the continental shelf, typically less than 200 meters deep. Third one is pelagic zone, the open ocean divided into the four. First one is epipelagic and mesopelagic, padipelagic and abyssopelagic, and fourth one is benthic zone, the sea floor divided into the littoral, bathyal, abyssal and abythal zones. And then primary producers in marine ecosystem. The primary producer in marine ecosystem are the phytoplankton, which include the microscopic algae and cyanobacteria. They are base of marine food web and are responsible for the much of the ocean's primary productivity through photosynthesis. Consumers and decomposers in marine ecosystem. Consumers in marine ecosystem include zooplankton and decomposers such as bacteria and then fungi. Coral reefs. Coral reefs are highly diverse and productive marine ecosystem found in shallow, warm and clear waters. They are built by colonies of tiny animals, collected coral polyps, which secrete calcium carbonate skeletons. Coral reefs provided habitat, food and production for wide variety in marine organisms. Estuaries. Estuaries are the semi-enclosed coastal areas where fresh water from river and streams make with seawater. They are characterized by the fluctuating salinity levels and serve as important nursery grounds for many marine species. Estuaries are also highly productive ecosystem due to the input of nutrients from both freshwater and brackish waters. Major problems our oceans are facing. First one is overfishing and acidification. Third one, mercury pollution, drying coral reefs and killing of sharks. First one threat is overfishing. The overpopulation of marine resource leading to the depletion of the fish stocks and the distribution of food webs, and then pollution. The introduction of harmful substances such as oil spills, plastic and agricultural runoff into the marine environment. Then climate change. raising ocean temperature, ocean acidification, and changes in weather patterns which can distribute marine ecosystems, and then habitat destruction. The physical alternation or loss of marine habitat such as coral reefs and the mangrove forests due to the human activities. I have mentioned 10 ways to help our ocean. First one is conserve water and then reduce pollutant and reduce waste and shop wisely, reduce vehicle pollution and then use less energy and then fish responsibility and then practice safe boating and then respect habitat. The conclusion of marine ecosystem emphasizes the critical importance to the earth health and biodiversity. This ecosystem provides essential services such as food, oxygen production, and climate regulation and cultural benefits. However, they face significant threats including climate change, pollution, overfishing, and habitat destructions. Thank you dear viewers for your watching. In next video, we have discussed about the another topic. Thank you so much. Thank you.